Bilang naman sa akin, girl. Eh, diba? Dati, active naman ako dyan. Enjoy naman ang Bible study. At saka, yung fellowship natin. Eh, kaso, nakabili na ako ng ticket pa sa Estragal ng concert eh. Sunday yun, di ako pwede. Sorry talaga ha. Tapos ang first to first ko, the following week. You know, disco! Tsaka yung isang manliligaw ko, ina-invite ako mag-dinner ngayong Friday. Alam mo, he's so cute, and I think I'm really falling for him. So, as is to for our date, diba? Well, sorry talaga ha. Nagkatulong kasi nasulit-sulit lahat ng activities ko. Hindi ko na makamagit yung invitation mo. Well, next time, please. I'll try. Bye-bye.